question 7, exercise 11.2. Draw a circle using bangle. Now here they are telling us to draw a circle using bangle. You can use anything else also, but in short you don't have to draw a circle using compass. Why? Because we have to find center of the circle in this question. Now take one point P in the exterior of this circle, and from this P point draw tangents to the circle. But to draw tangents we must know center. How to draw tangents without center? So first of all we will find center of this circle. If you remember in 9th standard you have studied this, but let us just revise it. First of all I want to find center of this circle. So draw two non-parallel chords in this circle. So let us take suppose two non-parallel chords. This is AB chord and one another chord you can take CD also, or from A also you can take. Suppose I am taking here one another chord AC. Now as soon as we will draw perpendicular bisectors of this AB and AC, wherever they will intersect each other, that will be center of this circle. So first of all you are knowing only how to draw perpendicular bisector. Take more than half distance of AB, give an arc upside, downside. Similar way from B also give an arc upside, downside. So this is perpendicular bisector of AB. Similar way draw perpendicular bisector of AC. It will come something like this. Now wherever these two are intersecting each other, that is your center O. Now join this O with P. So joining OP. Now again this is construction 11.3. Again take perpendicular bisector of OP. Take more than half distance of OP. Give an arc upside, downside like this. So this is perpendicular bisector. Let us give suppose name M here. Take MO distance, not to draw whole circle. Taking MO distance, give an arc upside, downside wherever it intersects. So this is the required tangent from P to the circle. Let us write this name, suppose D, and here this point is your E point. So this is your construction of question 7, exercise 11.2.